Hello, and welcome to Chords to Jam. Today, I'll be showing you how to play an E major chord on the piano or a keyboard instrument. I'll be showing you how to play the root position, the first inversion, the second inversion, and how to play an E major with both hands. Now, to get started, simply play the E note with your thumb, the G sharp with your middle finger, and the B note with your pinky. Altogether, that creates an E major. That is the root position of the E major chord. Now, if you move over and play the G sharp with your thumb, B note with your middle finger, and E note with your pinky, altogether, that's also an E major, but that is the first inversion. And if we move over once more, playing the B note with our thumb, the E note with our middle finger, and the G sharp with our pinky, that creates the second inversion of the E major chord. And if you'd like a more full sound, just go ahead, repeat the same pattern on two different octaves to give you a fuller E major chord sound. Hopefully you learned a little something from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.